really frustrating when a special friend of yours sends you a special song and then the video goes on all buffering and you just feel like throwing away your phone. But that's not the issue. I'll tell you what the issue is. The issue is with the problem with the network, with the network. You know what? Sometimes I think that how easier would it be if you could just see the signals? I mean, if you could just see these radio signals or electromagnetic signals just as easily as we see a light bulb. But no, we can't see those signals. Why? Because we are humans. Why can't we see these signals? So, this whole universe is made up of different types of energies, out of which a majority of them are of electromagnetic nature. Now, electromagnetic waves is what we are searching for. So what are electromagnetic waves? Electromagnetic waves basically consist of two types of fields, that is the electrical field and the magnetic field. Now these two fields are perpendicular to each other and also to the direction in which they are propagating or traveling. So basically there are 7 types of electromagnetic field. That is gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible spectrum, the infrared rays, microwave and radio waves. So these are the 7 type of electromagnetic waves which we can't see.
आज से मैं उठा सब कुछ दिख रहा था.
अबे भाई सब कुछ ही तो नहीं दिख रहा तुझे. So we cannot see each and every radiation in the electromagnetic series, but we can see only a particular range whose frequency is this. Now, this frequency range coincidentally lies in the visible spectrum region. That means visible spectrum region consists of all the colors that are present in the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So all these things are present in the visible region, outside which we cannot see. These are the frequency ranges of all the waves in the electromagnetic radiation, and we can't see all of them because our eyes aren't adjusted to sense all those frequencies. But what would happen is somehow our eyes modified to see any of these unseeable spectrum, then something like no. So how would these rays look like? Now, we can of course see the visible range in the electromagnetic spectrum. You can easily distinguish between the red color, the white color, the blue color and all those things. But what would happen if we could accidentally see the infrared rays? If you could see the infrared rays, then I would look something like this to you. That means my body temperature will be easily visible to you. What does this mean? This means that infrared rays depends directly upon the temperature of a particular body. Now, talking about infrared rays, if we could accidentally see some more rays, then how would it look like? Then it would look something like this.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Oh, आ गया. Oh, hey guys, if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. This is my social media info. Also, if you think that we have missed out something or we could improve the quality of our videos, then feel free to suggest us anything. If you feel that you could do a better job than us, then you could send your constructive feedback to us on the links given here, or I will also add the social media links to the description box. So please email us your content, your criticism, your likes, shares, compliments, anything you're free to do. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Sohail and you're watching Logical Paradox. Peace.